Hello viewer, are you facing Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing? Let's see how to fix Instagram Reels friend tab missing problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on profile icon from the lower right corner. Now click on three line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out help. Go to help. Now click on report a problem. Now tap on report problem. Now include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. So in this box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing. Please solve this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Now go back and follow the second step. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on I button. Now scroll down, go to Instagram storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Instagram app. Now go back and follow the third step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Instagram app. From here, please update your Instagram app and use Instagram latest version. So please follow this step to fix Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing problem.